The next of the basics is going to be Do Uchi. So from here, as we begin to develop the technique, make sure your kamae is correct. The weapon slides back. I bring it to a position where it's parallel to the ground, keeping my right elbow pinned to my body. As I step forward, my left hand comes straight across and strikes to my stomach. An important part of this technique is that as you're doing this strike, you come forward and make sure that your left leg tracks over the foot, and you don't just stop here and hit with your arm, but you're hitting and sinking with your entire body. So again, weapon comes back, parallel to the ground, right elbow tight to the body, come forward, pull with the left, sink the right leg forward, and strike. Kamae. So for your exercise, the movement should look like this. And that's a basic exercise of training Do Uchi.